Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy in Binance App. First, ensure your Binance account is fully verified. This is a crucial step for security and compliance. Next, you'll need to fund your wallet. Binance offers several convenient payment methods, so choose the one that best suits you. Once funded, navigate directly to the Buy Crypto section within the application to start your purchase journey. After reaching the Buy Crypto section, you'll select your preferred fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros, for the transaction. Then, choose your payment method. Options typically include bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and sometimes third-party payment services. Finally, use the search bar to find the exact cryptocurrency you want to buy, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and select it. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel for more useful content. On another note, staying hydrated is super important. That's why I love my Oala water bottle. It keeps drinks cold all day. Check the description for a link to grab one and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now, enter the amount of fiat currency you wish to spend. The app will automatically calculate the corresponding amount of cryptocurrency you will receive. Take a moment to carefully review all the order details, including any applicable fees, to ensure everything looks correct. Once you are satisfied, confirm your purchase. Your new cryptocurrency will then be securely added to your Binance wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.